Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Chainstake Finance. And as the name says, it's a staking protocol. So Chainstake is a global multi-chain staking protocol which is deployed on Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche and Phantom networks. Users can stake each network's native coin to earn low to high yield passive income. Okay, so let me show you guys. For example, if you click on let's get started, let me just show, then this opens up. But I will show you, for example, for Matic, you can see here metric contract ROI platform. You see plus 0.025% every hour, and it is, for example, in this case, daily earning 10%, withdrawal time anytime, and it's valid for 14 days. Here, daily earning 9%, withdrawal time, you can withdraw it anytime, and it's valid for 21 days. Okay, so we provide the most reliable ROI that have been proven to deliver over and over again. Okay, investors can stake Ethereum, Phantom, AVAX and Matic in 14 to 28 days plans and gain up to 906% ROI. Okay, investors' money is never fully locked, as even with the high ROI plans, there is an option to withdraw their deposit. Okay, so it's not really completely locked. You can always withdraw it, which is really good. I would say it's not completely locked. There's an anti-whale cooldown. That means we have implemented a deposit and withdraw cycle and limit, which will prevent whales from targeting our protocol and manipulating it. Withdrawal up to 200 Phantom every 12 hours. Withdrawal twice a day. Then there's a compound option. Users can choose to compound their investment. Investments in plan 4 to plan 6 will be compounded to 881%, making use of our cooldown bonuses. Okay, force withdrawal. We have implemented the deposit and withdrawal cycle and limit, which will prevent whales from targeting our protocol and manipulating it. Deposit up to 5,000 Phantom every 12 hours. Withdraw up to 200 Phantom every 12 hours. So there's a huge gap, okay, between the maximum deposit and withdrawal amount. All dividends are calculated at the moment of request and available for withdrawal 3 times a day, each 8 hours. Okay, there is also a hold bonus. If users don't make a withdrawal every day, will get extra bonus, a hold bonus. Hold bonus increases by 0.025% per hour if users withdraw. Hold bonus will reset to 0. Auto reinvest, earnings every moment. Withdraw anytime. If you can, if you use capitalization of interest, you can withdraw only after end of your deposit. Okay. Let me also show. Let's have a look to the white paper here. Chainstake Finance. Earn up to 20% daily on your staked Phantom, AVAX, Matic, and Ethereum, guys. Earnings every moment. Withdraw anytime. That's a really interesting feature. Immutable smart contract. Offers total security and peace of mind for investors. Basic interest rate, it's 0.5 every 24 hours, only for new deposits. Okay, fixed and sustainable daily interest rates for projects longevity. Minimal deposit 10 Phantoms, AVAX, Matic, no maximal limit. Okay, total income and so on, guys. You can have look, there are 3 different plans. Standard plan 14 days, classic plan 21 days, premium 28 days. So you can see here the total profit would be 140%, in this one 189%, and in the premium plan 238%. Okay, there are also locked plans. These are unlocked plans and these are the locked plans. There's a gold plan which will give you in 14 days 279.7% in profit. The diamond plan, it's locked up for 21 days and will give you 510.90% in profit. And the emerald plan, there it will be locked up for 28 days and you will get 881.8% in total profit. I would say that's, there's also a referral program, guys. And if you want, you can have a look in detail in all these pages here of the white paper. But as always, guys, always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects, because you know, high risk, high reward as always. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.